Hey you guys, welcome to a new episode of Food and the Single Guy with me, your very own AMARU. Now on this episode of Food and the Single Guy, I am going to make a very quick and easy dish. I am going to make some Cavolo Nero, also known as black kale, with some garlic gambas and some pasta in a rich and creamy sauce. All the ingredients will be listed below. But before we get on with the cooking, I have to welcome a ton of new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for the support. Don't forget to download the free and very official Food and the Single Guy app available in the Google Play Store. Now let's get on with it, shall we? Okay, you guys, so what I have here is my Cavolo Nero or black kale. I'm gonna wash it and then I'm gonna finely chop it. Over here, I have my pasta. And I'm not going to show you how I cook the pasta because I think everybody knows how to cook pasta. And over here, I have my gambas, which I have deveined and which I have seasoned with some garlic powder and some crushed black pepper. And I don't use a lot of powdered seasoning, you guys. The only powdered seasoning that I use is garlic powder. Okay, you guys, and now for the rest of my ingredients. I have my chopped garlic. I have a yellow hot chili pepper and a red hot chili pepper. I have some fresh thyme and I have a largely chopped onion. Okay, you guys, now I am going to finely chop this kale just like so. And there you have it, you guys, our finely chopped Cavolo Nero or black kale ready to be cooked. Okay, you guys, so next what we're going to do, we're going to heat some olive oil in a pot like this. And the first thing we're going to add to the oil as soon as it's hot enough is the fresh thyme because we want to release the flavors of the thyme. There we go. Ooh, smelling good. Next what we're going to add, the onions. And of course, we're going to give that a quick stir. Okay, we're now going to add the garlic. And of course, we're going to give that a nice stir. Next, what I'm going to add is my vegetable stock cube and the kale. And you want to stir fry the kale on medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, you guys, so next what we're going to add is some creme fraiche. And I'm using a light creme fraiche, you guys, but feel free to use whatever creme fraiche you like. What I'm going to add next is the cream, and this is also very light. Just like so. And we're going to give that a nice stir. And we're going to allow this to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes before adding the shrimp. And there's our creamy goodness, you guys. Doesn't that look good? Yes, it does. And just an FYI, creamy doesn't necessarily have to be fatty, all right? So next what we're going to add are the hot chili peppers. Just like so. We're going to give that a nice stir. Next, we're going to add the shrimp. We're going to give that a nice stir. And don't overcook the gambas, you guys. Keep that in mind. These only take a couple of seconds to cook. And by seconds, I mean no longer than 2 minutes, all right? This is smelling good. So, last but definitely not least, we are going to add the pasta and we're going to mix everything just like this. Now this is some nice creamy pasta. It is not too rich. It is not fatty at all. Baby, when I tell you, I cannot wait to dig in. All right, you guys, and now for the final presentation. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Look at the beautiful gambas. Look at the Cavolo Nero. Look at the creamy pasta. Honey, this is smelling good. This is something you should definitely try. All right? And when you do, let me know how it turned out. And there you have it, you guys. Wasn't that very quick and very easy and very simple? I think it was. Now, I have a dish similar to this one right here on my channel in which I use baby spinach and some smoked salmon. Go check it out. You'll love it. If you decide to try this recipe, let me know how it turns out because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, don't add crazy to the craziness, and I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.